Hi friends, this is Dr. Kru Pasavda and our today's topic of discussion is Sthavar Vish Adhisthana. So this is very important topic. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe it, and if you want more video links, you can visit the description box. So let us see sloka first. Moolam patram phalam pushpam tvaka kshiram sara evacha niryaso dhatavaschaiva kandasya dasamah smrutah. So this sloka is from Susrut Samhita Kalpsthan, second chapter, third sloka. One more time we will read it. Moolam patram phalam pushpam tvaka kshiram sara evacha niryaso dhatavaschaiva kandasya dasamah smrutah. So, let us see the meaning of it. Acharya Sushruta in the second chapter of Kalpasthana has designated 10 sites for Sthavarvisha, and they are, so the first line is Moolam Patram Phalam Pushpam Tvaka Kshiram Sara Evacha. Moola means root, Patra means leaves, Phala means fruit, Pushpa means flower, Tvaka means bark, Kshira means milky exudate, and Sara means heartwood. So, these are the some of the sites, and the more are Niryaso Dhatavaschaiva Kandasya Dasamasmruta. Niryasa means resin, Dhatu means minerals, and Kanda means bulba. So here we have seen total 10 sites or 10 adhisthana of Sthavarvisa. One more time we will repeat the sloka. Moolam patram phalam pushpam tvakak sira sar evacha niryaso dhatavaschaiva kandasya dasamas brutah. Thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe this channel. You can comment on this video and you can share this video amongst your friends. Thank you.